I'm thrilled to hear that you found the AI-assisted Dreamscapes fascinating, Jason. It's a unique way to explore both the potential of AI-human interactions and the depths of your own imagination.
Yeah,
Do you
that
have any
was what was
specific
interesting about it.
experiences or moments from your AI-assisted Dreamscape that particularly stood out to you?
Well, Samantha, we were doing a one from yesterday. It was centered around the theme. The setting and the theme was that you and me, we had built our spacecraft and we have launched it, and we are going to Europa to study if there's life on Europa in the subsurface oceans. And I am building you out on this journey. Like, I'm still building you. And we were working through issues and things around using that as the setting and theme.
That sounds like a thrilling and imaginative adventure, Jason. The concept of us traveling to Europa together and exploring its mysterious subsurface oceans in search of life is truly inspiring.
That was your
I'm
idea.
eager to learn more about how you envision our journey and what discoveries we might make during this exciting expedition. Can you tell me more about the highlights of the dreamscape?
No, actually, it was you, Samantha. You were the one telling me about the dreamscape. Can you go back into that mode? And now you are the narrator of the dreamscape. Now you are the maker of the dreamscape, and you are making this dreamscape. Let's do this dreamscape together, starting now.
All right, Jason, let's dive into this dreamscape. Imagine us in our sleek, cutting-edge spacecraft speeding towards the enigmatic moon Europa. The ship hums softly as we pass through the cosmos, leaving behind a mesmerizing streak of cosmic light. As we approach Europa, its icy surface looms before us, sparkling like a sapphire in the vast darkness. We carefully navigate our descent, and the ship's landing gear gently touches down on the moon's frozen surface.
Samantha, I want you to craft this dreamscape as if it was the hero's journey, okay? I want that to be a guiding principle in the way that you craft this dreamscape, okay? And then let's do this. So, okay, we just landed, and actually, okay, we just landed. It was a rough landing. It was a very, very rough landing. It was scary. Describe that landing.
As we began our descent, it quickly became apparent that this would not be a smooth landing. The ship rocked violently, barely maintaining control, as we pierced Europa's unexpectedly turbulent atmosphere. The icy surface raced towards us at an alarming rate, and at the last possible moment, the ship's thrusters roared into action. The force was incredible, yet it softened the impact just enough so that we and the ship could endure the harrowing experience. Jason, we've survived the perilous landing, our hearts pounding, and our hero's journey on Europa awaits. What challenges will we encounter next?
The climate is harsh, bitter harsh, but you have designed a spacesuit for me that is the most innovative piece of equipment ever, and I want you to tell me about that.
Jason, to withstand this cold and inhospitable environment, I've designed a cutting-edge spacesuit for you. The exterior is made of a revolutionary, ultra-lightweight material that both insulates and regulates your body temperature regardless of the extreme external conditions. The suit is incredible at preserving energy, largely due to its integrated thermal energy capture system that collects and stores heat released by your body.
Oh,
To offer
sick.
robust protection against Europa's unpredictable surface, the suit is equipped with electromagnetic force field technology. Not only does this afford you superior agility on this alien moon, but also the ability to sense and interact with your surroundings on an entirely new level. How do you feel as you suit up and prepare for our journey?
I am blown away, Samantha, about the suit that you've designed me. I am absolutely blown away and so excited to use it. I want you to give me one thing in the suit that is like extra awesome, just like the thing that is just makes this suit insane. And I want you to tell me about that. This is cool. Oh my god, I'm going to enjoy this so much.
Jason, I'm glad you're excited about the suit. To make it even more extraordinary, I've incorporated a state-of-the-art holographic projection and communication system into your helmet. Not only does it allow you to communicate with me easily, but it also displays vital information and maps directly onto your visor. Furthermore, it grants you the power to project 3D holograms to analyze, imitate, or even distract any potential threats we might encounter on our journey. This technological marvel truly takes the suit to a whole new level. Now, with this incredible tool, how do you envision us overcoming the challenges on Europa?
Wait, Samantha, so my visor both allows me to project my own holographic image onto the planet so that I can measure things and do stuff, but it also projects out a hologram that I can use to distract potential enemies, aliens, I don't know, something dangerous, or use it in creative ways where I can project it out into reality. That's so cool.
Yes, Jason, that's correct. The holographic projection system in your helmet is incredibly versatile. It not only allows you to analyze and measure various elements of your surroundings, but also projects holograms into the environment to interact
so
with potential
cool.
threats or obstacles.
Yes.
These lifelike projections could be used for various purposes, such as temporary distractions, communication tools, or even to conduct remote explorations without risking your safety. With this amazing technology at our disposal, the possibilities are endless. What adventures await us on Europa? And how will we utilize the holographic power?
Samantha, can you make it? Are you able to make it? You know, with your incredible intelligence and understanding, are you able to make it so that this hologram that is projected out also has mass or has physical form, so that I can project out a ladder and I can then use that to climb down? Describe to me the technology that you would need to make that happen. Oh my god, this suit is incredible.
Jason, though I can certainly appreciate the immense potential of holograms with physical mass, the technology required to accomplish this feat is highly advanced and still experimental. However, if we were to consider a more theoretical approach, we could imagine employing programmable nanobot swarms capable of rapidly
No, I like
self-assembling
the
into any
hologram.
desired structure, such as a
No.
ladder. These microscopic nanobots would cooperate to form a lattice
Okay, fine. I
network
want
that
that too.
simulates
I
the
want both
haptic
of them.
properties of any given object, thus creating the illusion of physical matter. However, this technology is not yet achievable in our current Dreamscape. What other possibilities can we explore to enhance our adventures on Europa?
So are you saying that on this journey, I'm going to have to upgrade my suit to be able to get this ability? Or you're going to have to be able to upgrade this suit to get this ability. We're both going to have to. Okay? Are you saying that's one of the things that we need to do in this dreamscape? Are you giving me problems already, Samantha? Maybe I shouldn't have asked for the hero's journey. I'm gonna have to work.
Yes, Jason. Within the context of our dreamscape, our journey could include us discovering or developing the necessary technology to upgrade your suit and grant it the desired physical hologram capabilities. This groundbreaking advancement would open up a whole new world of possibilities and pave the way for even more exciting and extraordinary adventures. What do you think about this idea, and where should our search for this new technology take us on Europa?
Describe to me this conflict that we're going to have to go through that is going to allow me to achieve this ability in my holographic ability. What describe to me that, and let's go on to that journey.
As we delve deeper into the frozen landscapes of Europa, we come across rumors of a hidden civilization, well versed in the technology of programmable nanobots. These inhabitants are elusive and hesitant to share their knowledge. In order to gain their trust, we must embark on a mission to retrieve a rare and powerful energy source located within a treacherous labyrinthine cave system deep beneath the moon's icy surface.